If you've ever wanted to start email marketing but felt overwhelmed by the tech or the writing part, AI Skill Stack makes it simple. With this platform, you don't need to be a copywriter or a marketing expert. Instead, it gives you everything you need to launch an automated email campaign that can start growing your list and even generating income without the usual stress. Here's how it works. Instead of staring at a blank page, AI Skill Stack's AI-powered tools generate ready-to-use emails that are personalized, engaging, and designed to convert. You simply plug them into your system and your campaign is up and running in minutes. The real power here is automation. Once you set it up, your emails keep going out on schedule, building relationships and driving results, even while you're busy with other things. That means your first email campaign is just a one-time effort. It's a system that runs in the background for you, freeing up your time while still building your business. And here's the best part. AI Skill Stack comes with a money-back guarantee, so you can test it out risk-free, knowing that if it doesn't help you, you don't lose anything. If you're ready to stop guessing and start growing, sign up using my link in the description and see how fast you can launch your first automated campaign with AI Skill Stack.